Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Tech here. And on today's video, we are going to talk about the new Galaxy Edge. We saw a lot of rumor before the launch of the Samsung Galaxy 25 series that Samsung is going to be releasing a particular phone called the Samsung Galaxy Slim. Some said it's Samsung Galaxy Air. But to the surprise, at the Galaxy event, towards the end of the launch, they did this. Just watch the video.
Introducing Galaxy S25 Edge.
Then everybody was shocked and they took all the reviewers to their showroom to show them the Samsung Galaxy Edge. It was suspended on air with a hook. So it was extremely slim. You can see the camera. It has only two camera set up at the back, and the display was just there. So nobody actually knows anything about it. All the predictions, all the leaks, all everything that people said about this new device was just wrong. The only thing that is correct is that Samsung is producing a new device. Okay, so they didn't even know that is its edge. So Samsung keep it really secret this time around. So we don't know about the processor. We don't know the design. Of course, we've seen the design, but we don't know the dimensions. We don't know the chipset. We don't even know the battery. We don't know anything about this phone. But some leaks are already coming out. But we want us to like wait a bit to see when the main leaks are start dropping. We'll be dropping it here on the channel. But another thing is, how will this phone now, how will it affect the Z lineups, especially the Z7s, the Z Fold 7 and the Z Flip 7? I hope it's not going to affect them, because most times when Samsung made this type of changes, they drop some certain phones. So I hope they are not going to drop this our lovable foldable phones that we are now getting used to. So let's just keep our fingers crossed, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and see you in my next video. Bye.